So how can you change the CapCut on iPad to horizontal mode? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. Well, on your CapCut project, ensure you don't have any files selected in the timeline because the options or the buttons below change whether or not you have, depending on whether you have the clip selected. So don't have anything selected. And at the bottom, you have the aspect ratio button. And right now you might be set it to 9:16. So you can click on the 16:9, which has this like little YouTube icon indicating the horizontal video. So you can switch to that and your entire project will be like expanded to that size. Keep in mind, however, that you can also just begin the project, right? When you start a brand new project and import your videos there, the aspect ratio will be adopted from the videos that you import, right? So if you start editing videos in the horizontal orientation, then the whole project will be in the horizontal one, right? So this is kind of how it works, but you can, as you can see, you can change it here anytime you want. So that's going to be about it from me. There isn't really much else that I could cover right now. So make sure you stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.